Hey, good morning, traders, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today, I feel happy to be back here recording more videos. I taken a few days off. So, in this video with turbo strategies for binary options, let's go to Trade Live and share with you the live trades and the live results with this turbo strategy. Let's rock with this video. Okay, guys, I taken a few days off on was weird for me trade with my laptop. I don't like a trade with my laptop. I prefer trade with my desktop, and I try and trade just one day, and I have two of the money and two in the morning. So I decided stop in that moment because complicated with this mouse. I don't like it. So today I'm gonna try to make money and recover the money that we spend when we taken a few days off with this turbo strategy for binary options. And we are gonna use it, and I recording a lot of videos with this, but I understand sometimes always we have a new people on this channel. So we are gonna using two indicators, two moving average, two exponential moving average, one period 8, one period 60. Period 8 is going to be color yellow, and period 60 is going to be color white. So we are going to trade for a put. Closing this. We're going to trade for a put, and the moment the yellow moving average is up and the white moving average is below and cross the yellow moving average going down, we are going to trade for 2 minutes for a put. Today we are going to trade for 2 minutes. Right? Why? Always asking what is better, trade for 2 minutes or trade for 1 minute. So let's go to trade for 2 minutes today in this live trading session. And we have so make a good money today. So I'm gonna leave with this video and wish me good luck. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop right now. I think the last trade was a little bit good luck, but we need good luck with in this business. So with this turbo strategy, this is the way that I made. Taking a few trades today and trying to recover the losses we have from the last week and earning a good money with binary options. It's possible to make money with binary options. Yes, you only need to follow the good rules. Don't trade, never trade with the news, because with binary options, the bullet can kill you in a few seconds. So start with $3,000 and end in the day with $4,900. I think it's a good amount, almost $2,000 of profits. It's a good amount with this, and I trade for 1 hour, 45 minutes. 45 minutes I trade, and it's a great results for me. So this turbo strategy, I have turbo indicator when you can trade or receive the alerts and the moment they crossing these two lines. Yes, we have a turbo indicator for this, and the turbo indicator is this one here. We receive the alert in the moment we need to trade. We trade for 2 minutes, and we are gonna trade in the next candle in the moment we receive the signal, right? This turbo indicator is the same with this strategy, and all you have to do is receive the alert, go to the broker, and trade for 2 minutes with this turbo indicator. So I'm gonna leave it the link below on this video if you want to use in this turbo indicator and trying and testing it and trying to test it into this turbo strategy in your demo account with your paper money. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next web.